My name is Mark McMurtrie. I'm a director of Payments Consultancy Limited and proud to be an ambassador for the Payments Association and lead judge for the most innovative merchant services solution category. I've been working with merchant services for over 30 years now, sometimes with merchants, but also sometimes with providers of merchant services to the retailers. This is a very broad category, and any organization supplying merchant services are able to enter. This means it's a variety of different types of category of organization. And as long as they're providing a service to the merchant, then they should be able to apply for this category. So the most innovative merchant service solution category has 4 clear criteria, which you can find listed in the awards documentation. And I encourage you to look at them closely. Let me go through what those 4 criteria are, so as to make sure you can answer each of them in your submission. The first criteria is the merchant service must provide significant benefit both to the merchant as well as to helping the merchant serve their end customers better. The second criteria is asking you how the payment solution has leveraged the brand, the channel, or other capabilities and technologies to deliver innovative solutions to specific problems and opportunities. The third criteria addresses the point about how the payment solution is truly innovative and has performed well. And it also makes sure that your submission is backed up with quantitative evidence of the success to make sure we can find out why you should be the worthy winner. And the fourth and final criteria asks how the solution stands out from the competition through performance, innovation, and value to stakeholders, as described in the submission document. So those are the 4 criteria, and you must make sure in your submissions you address each of them equally. But what I would also like to do now is take this opportunity to give you some top tips to improve your chances of winning in this category. The first of those tips is to make sure you do fully answer and address each of those 4 criteria. If you miss any of the points we're looking for, then myself and my fellow judges will be scoring you down, and that will inevitably mean you're unlikely to win this category. The second one is highlighting the importance in your submission of including strong metrics and data. This is to give the evidence of how you have succeeded and why you should be the winner of this category. Nothing annoys a judge more than people using words to say, our solution has been incredibly successful. Growth has been over and above what is expected. 350% growth. These phrases just do not stack up, and you do not get scored from them unless there are basis points to measure them from. So if you're talking about a percent increase, you need to make sure you include what that was from originally and where it is now. A third thing, of the top tip I would like to suggest is that to make sure you give your best possible submission, include all the detail in order to be able to give the best chances for the judge to be able to score highly. You can do this if it's confidential by including the phrase, for the eyes of the judges only, not to be shared publicly. And this is a way you can make sure you include potentially sensitive information, and in order to be able to make sure the judge can score you on the basis of it without it being disclosed. These are just a few of the tips that will make a difference and help you improve your chances of winning this award.